Oracle Database 23c developer release is now available for free on the Oracle website. You can use this build to test out some of the new features that will be available in the full release and also see how they can improve your development. In this episode, let's start by taking a look at how we can install Oracle Database 23c developer release on an OCI environment on a compute instance. On the Oracle Database free Get Started page, we have our download links as well as the installation guides and some more information about the new features available. If you need step-by-step instructions for your operating system, please review the installation guide. Getting started with Oracle Database Free is very quick and simple. First of all, we need to download two RPMs, one for the pre-install and one for the database. We will install each of them one by one. After the installation of the RPMs has finished, we can now run Oracle Free 23c configure in order to configure our database and set the passwords for the users. Once this is done, we will set the environment variables, reload our profile, and then we can connect to the database using SQL Plus, and we will connect to the pluggable database that is by default called FreePDB1. Let's also do a quick connection test from Python to check that everything is working properly. In order to do that, we'll import the Oracle database package and then connect to FreePDB1 with a user and a password. And the connection test is successful. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you found the information useful. If you're interested, you can download the Database 23c developer release for free from the Oracle website. And please make sure to also check community.oracle.com if you have any questions or if you just want to chat with us. Please don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in seeing more, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Happy coding!